everyone, so it's me, Falcon. Oh, okay, so the recent little contraption I made before the video. Okay, so you may ask, what the heck am I doing? So I've just discovered that Mac has a built-in screen recorder, thank God. And yesterday was my birthday, so I got a webcam, and now it has a microphone. So, what am I doing? This week is my first week. I'm going to be home alone all week, because I have no camp scheduled for any day this week. So 5 days. I'm hoping to output at least a video. I promise you, I will output at least a video each day. And what's going on is that when I output these videos, they're going to be put in a playlist called... Wait, what am I doing? Why? Oh, that's just hilarious. Ooh, I have a torch and a repeater. So the point is, I'm going to be calling this week, just these 5 days, today's Monday. From Monday to Friday, I'm going to call this week Kickoff Week, because it's my first week being able to screen record. And yeah, so I'm going to do mostly Minecraft videos and probably do a tutorial on how to do the screen recording, which I'm actually using right now. It's really cool because you don't need any more software, and it works. So yeah, that's pretty cool. What else is going on? Yeah, definitely Minecraft videos. Probably start maybe like an FTV series or something. And yeah, so what else should I say? It hasn't been that long of a video. So yeah, at least one video a day. I'm literally just blabbing on, stalling for time. At least one video a week, and per day. Hopefully 2, and if I'm really productive, I will make 3. And whether you're watching it this week or not, I really hope you enjoy it. And yeah, so I hope everybody has fun. Actually, just to stall for time, I'll show you how this contraption works. Okay, so this is kind of funny. You got 4 pistons here, powered by a torch going on and off. And you may be asking, how the crap is this torch going on and off? Down here, I have my straight-up torch system. What's going on is I have one of these little clocks down here, and it's turning the torches on and off. I actually might do a redstone tutorial, but yeah, that's how this thing works, which is kind of weird, but I was bored, guys. I was bored. I could have done this in the video and wasted your time, but I was bored. Okay, so I hope you watch it, everyone. You know, I really hope you watch it. I'm so excited about this. I hope you are too. And look at that. I probably have 0 views on all my videos. I'm gonna be so mad at myself. Okay, so this has been Falcon. Falcon has been me. And this, oh crud, this looks horrible. This has been Falcon. Falcon has been me. And yeah. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Actually, just gonna warn you, next video I'm gonna teach you how to use the screen recorder for anybody who's wondering. Because I'm on a Mac. I won't show you how, the rest of my Mac, all the stuff right in there. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you how to screen record on a Mac. Because I know it's just oh yeah, they can get the Handycam EXE. It's annoying because everything's for Windows, and Macs are, so much faster. I mean, mine has, 9 gigs of RAM, I think. Built in. It was awesome. Something like that. But it's really fast. I'm surprised I don't have any viruses. I've been using this for, a year. Probably use this until 2020. It's just that great. Okay, so, yeah. So, next video will be a screen recording video. So, this is the first one in Kickoff Week. Obviously, after Kickoff Week, I will be building more stuff, but not nearly as much as I do this week. Maybe I'll do a special for something else, but otherwise, yeah. I hope everybody watches. I hope somebody watches. Let's try to get 5 views! Okay, bye everyone, bye. I'm actually serious this time. I'm not stalling. Oh, I love my headdress. Whee! Okay, bye! Bye!